items.
Okay.
You can return. Oh,
It's okay. Open. 드디어 스마트 도어락이 왔습니다. 스마트 도어락 설치하려고 이게 준비 중이에요. 삼성 걸로 샀습니다. 삼성 게 믿을만 해가지고요. 삼성 거는 지금 현재 보면 이렇게 생겼네요. 이거 있고 배터리 있고 그 다음에 요거 있고 구성품이 이것도 있고 그 다음에 이거 이렇게 있네요. 나머지는 키 이렇게 있습니다. 그 다음에 이거는 선물인가요? 뭐지? 이거까지 이렇게 들어있네요. 어이 감사합니다. 삼성. 오. 자, 구성품은 이렇게 되어 있습니다. 네. 이렇게. 자, 한번 설치를 해보도록 하겠습니다. 자, 이렇게 this is how we made a hole because instead of making additional smart door lock we need to make a hole because they said cannot touch this, so we made this hole. So next, additional cover and screw it. Going to do, don't try to do it alone because this is hard. So if you're living in a condo, just ask the maintenance. So the maintenance will install for this. Just what you're going to do, just show to the video to me. The next step is we adjust, then we put the screw by one. See, we screw this so we can adjust it. Okay, the next three screws just install. Yeah. Here we go. We put four screw. We adjust strong. Now here we go. Step. Another step is just for the lock outside because there's something we need. That one. This one we need to attach. It's a little bit hard. We need to attach that one. Try to adjust. This one we need to make a line because we need to destroy that area. So the maintenance right now is adjusting the line here because it's, look, this is somehow there's levels, so we need to carve it. We need to destroy this area. So he's making it, and that area we need to make it flat. We made a line here because there's a frame, So we need to cut this frame properly, and we make the handles. So this is how we did right now. He made a line, and now he's going to screw it here. So we adjusting area. Nice. We're gonna have a final adjustment for the lines, and you see it's correctly installed. So this is the brand name, shs-2920 Smart Samsung Smart Digital Key, and this is the final installations. It was beautifully installed, and you see here. Nice. Yay! Lock, what you can use with smart key, or you can use the password. Yay! Like this, and you can change anytime the password. So either smart key or the password. So it's easy. No need the key.